Hello friends, welcome to Dhaka 11 Institute. Today I'm going to show you how to repair hinge of a laptop. So this video is going to be very helpful for you. So watch it till the end, okay? And subscribe the channel. So first of all, you have to open the first display side and then the motherboard side, okay? So you have to remove the screw, all the screws you have to remove, and you also make the display out, okay? And you see there are a lot of screws are there, and you should open the display and also the connector you should plug out, and this is the thing that you should remove, okay? And all the things you see, and you have to remember how it has been actually set up, because when you will install again you will have to follow the rules again. You have to remember this. You have to remove all the screws of the back side. After removing all the screws, you have to open the plastic side by opener, and you have to open the motherboard sides, hinge. You have to remove the screw. You see, this is the here. You should repair this, because from there all the screws base has been broken. Now you can use araldite. There are two things are there, two tubes are there and mixed together. You have to mix until it becomes fume. Foam. Mix it until it becomes foam, and then when the basis has been broken, there you just put it down, and you have to keep it 24 hours to make it dry, because this araldite becomes too many times to make it dry. After 24 hours you'll see like that, and already this has been strong enough, okay? So there are a lot of laptops that they're very sensitive. There are many ways to repair hinges, but hinges or the plastics broken, but this is the easy way you can follow. Then again you set up the display and plug in all the screws, okay? Then you also set the plastic side of the display part, plastic part of the display, and you see this. Very carefully you should do this. follow the instruction before you actually disassemble. The way you disassemble, you follow the same thing, and you make all the cables, all the connectors connected. And now you see the laptop is okay, all things are good, and hinge are okay, hinge is okay, and it is doing fine now. So thank you.